Hello everyone. Transportation model. That is what this course is all about. Now remember, transportation model deals with transportation of goods from origin to the destination. The objective is to supply all the products by taking due care of the concept of minimum cost. So here on we will be transporting the goods at a minimum cost, and to find out the minimum cost we've got certain models in transportation which are northwest corner, least cost method, Vogel's approximation method. Then we've got stepping stone method and modified distribution method. So all in all, the crux in this transportation model is the transportation of goods at a minimum cost, right? So we will be finding out the optimum cost using transportation model, and various categories that will be used in transportation will be categorized into two phases. First of all, we have to find out the initial optimum transportation cost. That can be done with the help of northwest corner, least cost method and Vogel's approximation method. So in this course we will be starting with the concept of transportation model, right? The mechanism of transportation. Then moving on to the next sections, we will be finding out the initial optimum transportation cost with the help of northwest corner, least cost method and Vogel's approximation method, which is based on penalties, right? After finding out the initial cost, then in the next sections we will be finding out the total minimum transportation cost. We will be optimizing the whole solution with the help of stepping stone method, and in the next section we will be discussing the calculation of optimum cost using modified distribution method by making use of rho variable, which is designated as u variable, and v variable, which will be termed as column variable. So with the help of u and v variables we will be finding out the total minimum transportation cost or the feasible solution using modified distribution method, in short called as MODI method, right? Then we will also be dealing with various complicated problems in transportation like degeneracy, unbalanced transportation problems. So all in all, this course you are going to learn a lot about the mechanism of transportation, right? Supplying the goods to various destinations, to various warehouses at the minimum cost, how to calculate those minimum cost, then finding out the initial basic feasible solution, and ultimately reaching the final solution, the total minimum transportation cost. So I hope that this whole course is going to be very beneficial for you, and of course this is going to be a great learning experience for you all.